Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here. I call this my Jensen 100 Deluxe workshop. She's 18 inches long, 7¼ inches wide. It's on a 3/4 inch thick white oak board, 8 inches tall, and she weighs 4.9 pounds. Let's take a little look around. This is kind of the technical video. I did do some modifications on the drill press. I've even got a little oiler right there for that spindle. And both of these stanchions have oilers right there and there to get the oil right in. They're nice and beefy, so they should last a long time. They're brass, at least the part that holds the axle is. And of course we have a jack shaft to drive the power up to the top. It'll run off of my Jensen 35.5 very nicely. Doesn't take that much power to run it. And I've got a nice metal tag down here at the bottom. I love those stanchions. And thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye now.